how to then come to the point of no expectation?
The kind of training we have in the world, this is what we're used to. Now, what this knowledge tells us is there's a better way of living life, a far, far better way of living life. And that is to do what you ought to do when it ought to be done. In fact, whether you like it or not. If you train yourself to do that.
So even if you don't like it?
Whether you like it or not, it's the right thing to do.
If somebody does not like to cook food because of the mother-in-law, the way she treats her,
yeah.
and you still do it because you ought to do.
You ought to do that. So when you train yourself, you know, the world, incidentally, the world returns the compliment. See, when you function in a selfless way, the world recognizes it. Not that you want it. It would come back to you, you know, boomerangs. When we don't realize it. And then if at all we do something good, we expect it to happen at a particular time. I've been doing this for 6 months. Nothing happened. You don't set a time. You just keep doing the right thing and you see how it boomerangs. It comes back to you. Nobody realizes that. So the good you do comes back. The wrong you do also will come back. You know, it's a beautiful way to live life.